This is a diffuser. Just clips on the side. Some small anchors. 1/4 inch thread to put on a tripod or just on a cold shoe adapter. And you have your USB-A to USB-C charging cable. All you have to do is plug it in the back and plug it into your charging port. On, there we go, off. You see the battery level, and this is your dimming and whiteness. So once the LED flashes, means you're up to the almost to the end. I mean, till the end. So if you want to go down, see the light output is going down. And if you want to change the light from white to yellow, this is it. So this is your light.